Hello and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. In this video, we'll explore how to test emails in Go. To test emails in Go, we'll need an email sending script and a dedicated testing tool such as Mailtrap Email Testing. It's an email sandbox that captures all the SMTP traffic from staging, QA and dev environments to inspect and debug emails without spamming recipients. Head over to mailtrap.io and click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Choose the method of registration, fill in the necessary fields and click on the Sign Up button. Go to Email Testing and open My Inbox. Click Show Credentials to reveal the SMTP configurations of your virtual inbox. Open the Go project. Here we have an already prepared email sending script. Username, password and host are the variables that are needed to connect to the SMTP server. The auth variable lets you choose and configure the authentication method. From, to and message variables include message data such as the sending email address, recipient email address, and the message body with all of its headers. SMTP URL links together the SMTP host and port, while the send mail function is responsible for sending the emails. All we have to do now is copy the username, password, and host from Mailtrap Email Testing and paste them into our code one by one. That's it! Run the code with Go Run command. Check the Mailtrap inbox. Our test email is right there. All done! You can now explore HTML, HTML source, text raw, spam analysis, and tech tabs to test various aspects of your emails. Once all the tests are completed, send your emails in production with email sending solution, one like Mailtrap email sending. For more instructions on that, watch our video on sending emails with GoLang. All the links will be available in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one!